This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Millicent Blalock. Builders already broken ground on your dream home. Permits have been pulled on this beautiful 2-story custom home, and all that's needed is your input. Proposal features contemporary floor plan with 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, owner suite on main, open concept with 9 or 12-foot ceilings and natural lighting throughout. Build will be a high-quality craftsman-style home on 5 unrestricted acres. New owner to make selections and customize. Property has 2 approved build sites. Second site would be ideal for in-laws/parents or guest home. Subdivision option is available. Possibilities are truly endless with this Friendsville find. See MLS number 1,205,706 for 2 to 3 acre subdivision option. For more information, review the details below or contact Millicent Blalock at 865-584-4000.